Today I'm going to be making a heart out of oak. Firstly, let's get it cut out on the bandsaw. Today I'm using one of my Dremel Max carving bits. It's coated in titanium nitride, which will make it last 3 times longer. So with the bit in the flex shaft, I'm just making the general shape of the heart here. Don't forget your PPE, goggles, mask. Some gloves are always handy. Once you've got the shape you want, time to get it smoothed off using the sanding drums. I've changed grits about halfway through to a finer grit. Once you've got as far as you can go with the Dremel, it's time for a bit of hand sanding. I tend to sand up to 240. Then dampen the wood slightly and allow it to dry. This then raises the grain, so you can then go over again with 240 grit, and this will make it extra smooth. And then here I am trying out a new pyrography marker. Then all you need to do is get a heat gun and go over it gently with the heat gun. And this then darkens the area where you've used the marker. Then it's time to add a little bit of finish. This time I'm using mineral oil from Brandon Bespoke Products. Check out their website for all the different finishes that they do. I add a couple of coats and then some wax afterwards. And that's job done.
This project took no longer than 30 minutes to do. If you enjoyed this video, please